So let me show you how to download and set up WhatsApp on your Samsung Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra. So simply go to the Google Play Store and go to the search function and search for WhatsApp. From the results, you will see WhatsApp selected. Make sure it's the correct application and tap on install. Once downloaded, tap on open, and this is gonna start the setup process. So let's agree and continue. And then do you want to link this as a companion device or do you want to use it separately? Now, most people are gonna have WhatsApp on another device and you just want this as a companion device. If you just want to register a brand new WhatsApp account and not use this as a companion device for your phone, then you go to the three dots in the top right corner and select register new account. Okay, so those are the two options you have. You can have this as a separate WhatsApp account, or you can use this as a companion WhatsApp account for the account you normally use on your phone. Okay, so if you choose to use it as a companion app, which is what I think most people want to use it as, then simply go to WhatsApp on your phone, go to the three dots in the top right corner and select linked devices, and let's link a new device. So tap on that. That's going to open up the QR code scanner and tap OK. That's going to open up the QR code scanner. And now you can scan that QR code and it's going to log you in to WhatsApp, the same WhatsApp that's on your phone right here, and use that as a companion app. Okay. Now, like I said, if you wanted to use this as a separate WhatsApp account on the tablet, not linked to any other device that you have, then you go there to the three dots I showed you, tap on set up a new account, and then you can now use the instructions of setting up a new WhatsApp account, which I'll also link down below, and you can follow that and set up WhatsApp. Anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.